club. And I don't know about you all, but I have never been able to solve a Rubik's Cube. Anyone in the audience been able to? Anyone? All right, so you guys are in for a treat because these guys know their stuff. So we're going to be setting up, or it looks like we're already set up, and they're going to come up right now. Hi, guys. How are you guys doing? Good. All right, so can you tell me a little bit about this club? When did you guys get started?
So we started back in June, and I just had the goal of getting people who enjoy cubing an opportunity to meet up and hang out and improve together. And we meet every Thursday night in the Dublin area.
How about you both? Can you tell me a little bit about how you got involved in this club and why you wanted to be a part of it?
I've been cubing for a while, and I just really like the thrill of just being able to solve it, so I thought I'd join my friends in solving it.
Yeah, so I've been cubing for around like 4 years, and I've really never met anyone with the same interests, and it was just such a joy to meet with these people every week and solve cubes with them.
How old are you?
I'm 11.
11. Oh my gosh, I cannot imagine trying to solve one of these at 11, but I'm excited to see you guys. Go ahead and get started. So let me set up this mic for you.
All right, you ready?
Yes. I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Now we're gonna get these cubes mixed up real quick and see how many they can solve while I solve this 12-sided Mega Mix. Three, two, one, go. That was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and a half. That one's almost solved. 10 and a half cubes before I can solve this 12-sided one. All right, for our final act, I'm going to be solving a cube with one hand. Are y'all ready? All right. All right, let me inspect this. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Thank y'all.